Yes.
Okay, lead generation. I'm gonna tell you the best lead generation, the best manner there is to generate leads. The very, very best. So, we're ready for this one? Who's heard of Facebook? Come on, guys. I said rule number 2, interact with me. Who's heard of Facebook?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, cool. So, here's what you do. When you run lead ads on Facebook, very, very simple. Who has a farm? Not the farm at the grocery shop. You know the type of farm down. Who's got a farm? All right, I'm going to use you. Where's your farm? Claremont. I call it, that's a great, fast-moving market. That's awesome. So you have a farm in Claremont. So first thing you want to do is identify what is selling the fastest in your farm. So you take 6 months worth of sales or a year, and you say, okay, what in that farm is selling the least amount of time? Call it 3, 4, 5 days. Everything else, don't even worry about it. I want to take the things that are selling in Claremont in 5 days or less. Then what you do is you say, all right, what are the key commonalities between those properties? 3-bedroom, 2-bath, less than 500,000, single level with a garage, and remodeled kitchen, whatever it is. You take those common items that are doing the same thing and selling the fastest. Maybe it's 3 days, who knows? The key is you take the fastest selling, you take the top 5%. So if you have 100 sales, it's 5. 500 sales, don't know the math, doesn't matter, I'll have someone do it for me. The key is you take the fastest selling 5 to 10% and you look at what's common in those. Then the ads you run for buyers are that exact ad. Claremont homes, $499 and below, or $599 and below, 3 bedrooms, remodeled kitchens with a garage. That's your ad right there. Why?
Because that's where the buyers come.
Because that's what buyers want.